Hello and welcome to Angela's Hangout. Today I'm participating in a collaboration that is hosted by myself and Rolanda B. I'm super excited about this one. This is all about you. And what is it that you like to do in your spare time and how you like to relax. So this is what I like to do, sleep. Wait, I have a video to do. Wait, I have to do a DIY. I do. Okay, let's get busy. It's all about relaxation, but I've got some stuff to do. Since I want to relax today, I am going to be taking a nice long hot bath. So I found this cupboard out in my garage, and I'm just gonna paint it and put a couple of handles on it. Using E6000, I'm just going to go ahead and put these on there and let it sit for a little while. I have other things that I want to do today too. My sweet daughter bought me this mask for Easter. Actually, it was in my little Easter basket that she gave me. She is so sweet. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out for the first time. It's a charcoal mask. I've never used one before, but supposedly it's supposed to be really good for your pores and hopefully eliminate some of my wrinkles. Okay, I know I look way scary right now, but hey, it's time to relax, finally, and I'm gonna enjoy some little berries and just sit here and kick back, and oops, my cucumber is falling off my eyeball, and of course, Georgie wants to eat it. It's all about him on my relaxation day. Go figure. Oh my gosh, I'm so hydrated now. Look at. I had my sweet little daughter come over and do my nails for me because, yes, they needed to be done. Okay, now it's really time to relax. So here is our little DIY that we did, and I can't believe that I had this cabinet door just hanging out in my garage, and I have the handles already too. So I'm gonna go ahead, drop in my bath bomb, and relax. I've got my favorite book, it's Nicholas Sparks, and it is time to just soak and relax for a little bit. Read, catch up on my reading. I don't do that enough. Of course I have to play with all of my little loves. This is Georgie. He was a little rescue. I found him he was living in a car when I met him. And he's the newest addition to our family. And oh my goodness, as you see, he's in every single video. And here is my little Chloe. If I can get her up here. Come on, she can do it. She's like the matriarch of the family. She is 8 years old, and she is just the sweetest, most gentle little soul you've ever met. I just love her so, so much. She came from a beagle puppy mill. She was in a puppy mill and had never even been on grass before I met her, and she's just so, so sweet. And last but not least, this is Bella, my big old German Shepherd. That's actually my daughter's dog, and she has been a rescue actually 4 times over, and she's been kind of trying, but she's turned into this big old gentle giant, and I just can't imagine my life without any of them. They really, truly are my family. Going to one of my favorite places. I can't wait. Love Ross. Let's go shopping. I got my lucky spot. I always find goodies when I come to this spot, I swear, every time. Okay, back home again, and I am definitely going to just relax with one of my all-time favorite movies. I just love this movie. I think they're so stinking cute. Thank you so much, Rolanda B. This was so much fun. I really appreciate you know, us getting together and doing this collaboration. It was very much needed, and just it's all about you. So I can't wait to see what everybody else has put together and how they like to relax when they have some me time. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Please follow the playlist and check out everybody else's videos. And yeah, thank you so much. Bye-bye now.
I cried like a baby at the counter.
Yes, I must admit, I'm a hopeless romantic.